Gonna get some ice cream.
How you gonna get ice cream?
It's flying.
What? Ice cream flying? Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
That's right.
I hear something.
So our buddies at Wingz.
I hear something. There it
is.
is. There it is. There it is.
Yep, our buddies at Wingz have been using our backyard as a testing facility. Been using our backyard as a testing facility for their drone delivery of ice cream and other things. What else they deliver? Prescriptions?
Yeah.
Boy, it's huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is a giant delivery drone. Now there it is. Now don't go out there. There's another one on its way.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh yeah. And then next week there'll be a dozen of them or so. They'll all be here. Bye. Thank you. All right, so we've got a package right there. Now that one should have ice cream in it.
Or shouldn't I get it and go put it in the freezer?
Well, wait just a minute. Another one's on its way. Unless you want to go get that one.
Yeah.
And then the other one will be here in a moment. There he goes. Whoosh! I guess I could go up on the upper deck and watch them. There's my Sheila going to get her ice cream. Okay, now we'll have to open that up in a minute. Unless you want to open it up now, show us what's in it.
Homemade vanilla.
Homemade vanilla. Let me hold that for you.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's cold.
Mint chocolate chip.
Love it. Where's yours?
Mine's coming.
Okay. Okay.
It's coming. I'm gonna put these in the freezer.
All right. I like the mint chocolate chip. And let's see, why did we get vanilla? We got vanilla because everybody likes vanilla. And Sheila, she ordered Dutch chocolate. So hers is on its way, as I understand it. So anyway, the guys at Wingz are using our backyard for testing, and so we're getting free ice cream for the time being, which is kind of cool. All right, so let's see here. It should be any time. Sheila's got better ears than me. She heard it. Oh, there it is. Another big one. It's a big one. They've got like 3 different size drones that show up, but these are the big ones. Very cool. Bye. How cool is that? There he goes. Zip. Oh man. Zoom. Boy, those things are fast.
Boxed water.
Oh, this was not our. This wasn't our ice cream.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Dutch chocolate.
Oh, okay. Dutch chocolate. There you go. Plus water. All right.
Plus
Well, that was
water.
nice of them. Yeah, they delivered water yesterday, and next week there'll be a whole bunch of stuff.
Okay.